Xander Schauffele is an American professional golfer who plays on the PGA Tour, having won 7 times since turning professional in 2015. He was born on October 25, 1993 in San Diego, California, to a French or German naturalized immigrant father and a Taiwanese naturalized immigrant mother who grew up in Japan. His father has been in only swing coach throughout his golf career. Schauffele was the individual winner of the 2011 California State High School Championship playing for Scripps Ranch High School. After graduating from high school, Schauffele played his freshman year in college at California State University, Long Beach, where he garnered the 2012 Big West Conference Freshman of the Year as well as the 2012 First Team All-Big West Awards. Schauffele accumulated a collegiate record that features 27 top 10s. Of these, 19 were top 5s, with 4 of these being runners-up and 3 wins from a total of 50 tournaments. He was ranked in the top 10 of the World Amateur Golf ranking at the time he turned professional in 2015. Schauffele defeated Bo Hostler to win the 2014 California State Amateur Championship at La Costa Resort and Spa. Later that summer, the two longtime rivals met again in a final at Chicago's Beverly Country Club for the 2014 Western Amateur, where Schauffele lost to Hostler in the final match in dramatic fashion. Prior to his sophomore year, Schauffele transferred to San Diego State University, where eventually he would play out his college career and graduate in 2015. During his 3 years at SDSU, Schauffele was a Ping and Golf Week third-team All-American. In September 2023, Schauffele played on the US team in the 2023 Ryder Cup at Marco Simoni Golf and Country Club in Guidonia, Rome, Italy. The European team won 16.5 to 11.5 and Schauffele went 1-3 to 0, including a win in his Sunday singles match against Nikolai Hojgaard. In April, Schauffele won the Jure Classic of New Orleans, a team event with playing partner Patrick Cantlay. In June, he won the Travelers Championship for his 6th PGA Tour victory. In July, he won the JP McManus Pro-Am, an unofficial event on the European Tour held at Adar Manor, after shooting a course record 64 in the first round. He qualified for the US team at the 2022 President's Cup. He won 3 and lost one of the 4 matches he played. At the Masters in April 2021, Schauffele was 2 shots behind the leader on the 16th tee and in second place during the final round. However, at the hole he scored a triple bogey and ultimately finished third. In August, Schauffele recorded a final round of 67 to win the Olympic gold medal. He made an up and down for par on the final hole to beat Slovakian Rory Sabatini by 1 shot. In December 2019, Schauffele played on the US team at the 2019 President's Cup at Royal Melbourne Golf Club in Australia. The US team won 16-14. Schauffele went 3-2 to 0, won his Sunday singles match against international team star and veteran Adam Scott. Some in golf media called Schauffele the unsung hero of the US team. In October 2018, Schauffele won the WGC to HSBC Champions event in Shanghai, China at the Session Golf Club in a playoff, defeating Tony Finau on the first extra hole. In January 2019, he won the Century Tournament of Champions at the Plantation Course at Capola Resort in Maui, Hawaii.